Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Boulevard Super Center, which is the largest mall on Washington Boulevard in the Kingston area. Okay, so this is the Boulevard Super Center. It's actually one of the top malls in Jamaica, very busy, has a large residential area around it, or residential areas around it. Although, when you think of this plaza, the stores that pop up into your mind, the most popular stores are Lee's Food Fair, which is the supermarket in the plaza, and you have KFC, Burger King, Island Grill. So that will give you an idea. Okay, this is Burger King on the right. That will give you an idea. With those stores, those kind of food restaurants, the top food restaurants in Jamaica, you'll get an idea of how busy this plaza is. Okay, now with most plazas in Jamaica, the majority of them, they are all built around a supermarket. So the main draw for the plaza will be the supermarket, because people have to eat. So in this plaza, Lee's Food Fair is the supermarket and probably the most popular store or building in the plaza. There's also an NCB bank, but Lee's Food Fair is the most popular place when you think of the plaza. We're going to look at the other stores now. So as you can see, the supermarket has its own entrance. So you don't have to go through the mall to get to the supermarket. There is also an entrance from the mall to the supermarket. Now this part of the mall is actually more of a mall, in the traditional sense, meaning all the stores are inside. So you would enter here, straight ahead, that would be the entrance, and then all the stores are inside. The stores don't face the outside. So I know in Jamaica we use the words mall and plaza interchangeable, but in the US, a mall is where you go in, there's one entrance, and then you have all the stores in there. So this part of the mall is like that. Okay, here is the, straight ahead is the NCB branch, one of the busier branches. And then beside that, where you have the sign, that's the entrance to the mall section of the plaza. And there are a lot of popular stores in there. You have a Flow store, you have a Western Union, another popular store, and you have other restaurants like a food court in there. And now we seem to have been caught in the drive-through line for KFC. So we're going to turn around and go the other way. Oh, that's KFC straight ahead, and you know they always have a line. So the drive-through line has come out into the road and has blocked up the side of the driveway. So we're going to go the other way. I mean, that's not supposed to happen. The security is supposed to keep the cars on one side so it's more orderly, because everybody knows that KFC is going to have a line, but I guess they didn't expect it to be so busy so early in the day. Well, it's actually 12 o'clock in Jamaica and it's a weekday, so I guess it's lunchtime. As you can see, this plaza has a lot of parking spaces, which is very good. And it's well laid out. It's not, the stores are not on top of each other. Look at how big this space is for the parking. So you can see that the mall was well designed. And Burger King also has their own drive-through. don't think I've seen a mall in Jamaica or a plaza where you have two drive-thrus. No, it's usually just one store with a drive-thru. Okay, this is the other section of the mall now, and these stores all have their own entrance. So this is less of a mall setting and more of a plaza setting. There's a Payless shoe store. Okay, on the left now is Island Grill. Oh, there's a Woolworth in this plaza too. I didn't even know that. Oh, there's a Sugar and Spice. They sell tasty patties. I think we might be stopping there in a little bit to get lunch. Okay, on the left is Island Grill, and they also have a drive-thru. So this plaza has 3 drive-thrus. This is the entrance to the Island Grill drive-thru. Okay. We're going to reverse here so that we can get a better view of the drive-thru. Okay, I'm just making sure that this is not a one-way. Okay, there is the Island Grill. So I think this might be the only plaza in Jamaica that has 3 drive-thrus. I've never seen that before. If I'm wrong, you can leave a message in the comment section and tell us what other plaza has so many drive-thru restaurants. Alright guys, so this is the Washington Boulevard Super Center. Very busy plaza. Well, it's a very good location because there are a lot of residential areas around here. We're looking for a park now. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.